I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys a household essential that keeps our devices running smoothly. These are our Energizer AA batteries. This pack includes 24 Max AA alkaline batteries, which are a game changer when it comes to reliable power. I appreciate the consistent performance these batteries offer, whether it's in my TV remote or various other devices. These AA batteries power them all effectively. One of the things I truly like is the long shelf life of Energizer batteries. You can stock up on them without worrying about them losing their power, which is incredibly convenient. Energizer is a brand known for its commitment to quality, and that's evident in these batteries. They're leak resistant and they're designed to prevent damage to your valuable devices. Energizer batteries are a must for every household. I think that they are dependable, long-lasting, and perfect for powering a wide range of devices. And that's my point of view.